Welcome back to Daytime Live. We are still buzzing. So here's something interesting. This is a job I think I would do. So a cuddle therapist, yes, a cuddle therapist, is speaking about her unusual occupation, revealing that a roster of regular clients pay up to $1,300 for the privilege of holding her in their arms. So 43-year-old Missy Robinson says hugging helps to heal the body, mind, and spirit. She insists her services have nothing to do with sex and none of her clients make such attempts. She also added that she makes both male and female customers actually sign an agreement before the healing can begin. So as a part of the agreement, what she calls the swimsuit area, must be covered, and that area is strictly off limits for touching. Go Missy.
So Robinson, a former fashion blogger, not model, blogger, and publicist who has only been working as a cuddle therapist for a short time, said that she often wears baggy t-shirts and leggings to her cuddle sessions. Although some of her male clients have experienced upsies, erections, while they are in an embrace, she said that sometimes people do become aroused and get embarrassed, but we just deal with it in a mature way. Now, touch can elicit these responses. It's only natural, but we leave it right there.
Leave it right there. Yeah. So the cuddle therapist, she actually served in the Australian Army, and she has struggled with bipolar and PSD for about 20 years. So it took her years to seek help for her mental health. And when she did, she almost died after claiming to get lithium poisoning from a psychotropic medication. So she confirmed that most of her clients are males and said she knows men are often the ones who need services like this, Craigie T and Clive, because men are the ones who can be overlooked when it comes to mental health support. That's true. She claimed that a lack of touch intensifies loneliness and can cause overeating and self-destructive habits such as smoking and nail biting. Robinson also said that she recently had one female customer who simply needed a mommy cuddle. Aww.
Whoa. So the professional cuddler likens her skills to that of a psychologist or a masseuse. For those who can't afford 4 figures for a cuddle from Robinson, she offers a range of cheaper packages. She charges $65 for a 1-hour cuddle session, but her most popular package is a 2-hour cuddle and meal session for $195. So for $1,300 though, Robinson will cuddle up with a customer overnight, holding them in her arms as they drift off to sleep. She nicey?
She getting paid for it, of course.
She kindy?
She getting paid for it. She's not giving it away for free. And as a matter of fact, we should probably try that. Anybody? I charge for a cuddle. I like to cuddle. US, right? Me like it, Missy.
$1,300 for a hug up, I'm not sure.
It's a whole night. It's a cuddle. It's not a hug. A hug is different from a cuddle. Now, you know when you spoon...
After you drop asleep, you don't know about the cuddle.
That you do. If the person moves, you're going to feel it.
Me? No, me asleep.
Well, the point is it made you fall asleep. Cuddling is
$1,300 for
I'm going to
sleep?
contact this girl. Like she trained me.
You know how much for Benadryl?
What? How much?
Little bit of money.
But it does not come with a cuddle. You're missing the whole point. Clive, you don't want a cuddle.
How cuddling? No, sir. Cuddling, me, man. I can't start in
You're not the audience that she's going after, clearly. Okay? But I like it, Missy.
But she needs still, you know.
How so?
She need, man.
She's smart.
$1,300 for a cuddle. And she talk about them be with it materially. She need, man.
How she need?
She's slick.
What?
I don't know.
You don't know. In this time, you have to get creative when it is that you want to make the momo. And I like it.
Yeah, man.
Right? I mean, I find it.
So she has found a way to publicly advertise her cuddling. She bad.
I'm done. You know what?
Slick.
Let's just
we're at our hustle still.
No, because Craig, no, go down the road with me. Me go try this cuddling thing. So we have A little bit more.
Yeah, you try it. See, Clive say my first comes up.
And you know, during our second buzz, we always want to kind of showcase something funny, right? Or something that makes you feel good. Not necessarily a cuddle, but something else. So we have this video.
You try it.
It's a really funny one.
Okay.
I hope, right? I haven't seen it, so I'm going to tell you the truth. There's no audio, but I want you to just take a look at this reporter who, during Hurricane Ian in Florida, lost the hat wig. Just couldn't hold it anymore. Let's look at it. Watch the face. You know why not laugh? What? I not laugh, no.
No, you see, that's why I want to stop do it.
I not laugh.
I want to stop take people feed that.
With what?
I want to use the own ear. EAR.
So I appreciate the fact that she tried to continue, right? But it's like it really hit her.
So anything like that ever reach you?
Said
Are we give a fly off? Yeah.
Not yet, no.
It's so like...
I mean, it's something that I'm conscious of that could happen, but nowadays it's hardly going to happen to many women who invest in the wig because, you know, them glue it down and ting. So there are ways now to keep it down, right? Maybe what you could have
Hurricane
done
tested ways?
You know, is use the hairpins, the closed hairpins, and kind of tack it, but she never...
Hurricane tested ways?
Eh?
Hurricane tested?
If it glued down, it not moving. Yes.
Well, we
Tell
saw
you,
what happened to the gorilla glue woman.
That's
So
different. No, that
down.
was just a stupid decision. That's not what the glue was made for in the first place. That we're talking about
Yo.
lace glue, hair glue.
Me would have just sit down and watching it with popcorn for weeks, you know. Who are the samplest people?
No, but she used heavy duty glue that's made to do like hardware housing stuff to glue down her hair. That can't work.
But maybe it was a hurricane.
Me done.
On that note,
Where me finish.
on that note, they tell like we'll be right back.
Hold on, me bun.
We'll vibe when we come back. We're so far.
Now hold on.
Yeah.